Gamers, get ready. The top 60% keyboards of 2025 are here, bringing compact designs, ultra-fast response times, and premium features to your setup. Whether you're looking for adjustable actuation, wireless connectivity, or hot swappable switches, these keyboards will elevate your gaming experience. Let's dive in. Corsair K65, PRO Mini RGB, Optical Mechanical Precision. The Corsair K65 PRO Mini RGB is a 65% optical mechanical keyboard with OPX switches, delivering ultra-fast keystrokes with smooth actuation. The PBT double-shot keycaps enhance durability, while ICUE compatibility allows for advanced customization of lighting and macros. Its compact design makes it perfect for gamers who need speed and efficiency, and the wired connection ensures zero latency. Keychron K2 HE Wireless Customization and Hall Effect Switches. The Keychron K2 HE is a wireless custom mechanical keyboard featuring Hall Effect, Gateron double rail magnetic switches, offering rapid trigger response for precision gaming. With QMK support, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, it's perfect for Mac, Windows, and Linux users. The RGB lighting and hot swappable design allow for customization, making it a versatile choice for gamers and professionals. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Gen 3 Hypermagnetic Speed and Precision. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Gen 3 is a high-performance 60% keyboard featuring OmniPoint 3.0 hypermagnetic switches, allowing adjustable actuation for customized responsiveness. With rapid trigger technology, gamers can execute commands faster, making it ideal for competitive play. The game-ready presets optimize key functions, while protection mode ensures secure keystrokes. The RGB lighting and PBT keycaps provide durability and aesthetics, and USB-C connectivity ensures fast, reliable performance. RK Royal Kludge RK61 Ultra Compact and Programmable. The RK Royal Kludge RK61 is a wired 60% mechanical gaming keyboard with programmable QMK/VIA support, enabling custom key mapping, featuring RGB backlighting, hot swappable brown switches, and an ultra compact design. It's perfect for gamers who need portability and precision. The ergonomic layout ensures comfortable typing, while the durable build makes it ideal for long gaming sessions. Mage G MK Box Budget-friendly mechanical performance. The Mage G MK Box is a portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard with LED backlighting, blue switches, and a compact 68-key layout. Designed for Windows, laptops, and Mac, it's a great entry-level option for gamers who want mechanical precision without the premium price tag. The tactile feedback ensures responsive keystrokes, while the sturdy frame provides long-lasting durability. These keyboards offer customizable actuation, wireless flexibility, optical mechanical precision, and budget-friendly performance. Which one fits your gaming style best?